Michelle just received your samples of the stickwood. So as you can see, these come in 8-inch long pieces. This is actual stickwood. It's 100% real wood. This would be our reclaimed weather wood.
Yep, I like that. This room is so plain. It's a big open room, and to have one wall that's an accent wall with lots of different variation, I think that's going to look really sharp down here.
We're here at Michelle's house and it's install day. We can't wait to see how this room comes together. Michelle's currently out of town and she'll be blown away when she returns. In just one day, we created a cool stickwood wall that really brings the room together and the texture looks amazing. We can't wait till Michelle gets back to reveal the new wall. The only question now, what are you gonna stick with?
On our way home from a little 2-week getaway to Florida, and I'm not usually very excited about returning home from vacation. However, I have my new stickwood wall to look forward to tomorrow. I can't wait to see the final finished installed product. We're probably going to stop somewhere along the road tonight and look forward to seeing the wall tomorrow afternoon. I can't wait to see it. Oh my gosh! It is awesome! You guys! Wow! Oh my gosh! It's beautiful! I love it. I can't wait to get furniture now. Woo!
That's unbelievable. I wouldn't have picked any other color, and I wouldn't have used any other type of wood.
I think the color is perfect. I love the way the ottoman goes in here now. Before with that black sofa, the ottoman didn't work. It's beautiful. Oh, thank you, Stikwood. You guys are amazing. It's beautiful. It's what we wanted 4 years ago when we moved in here, and we just didn't know how to pull it off, and you guys did it for us, so thank you so much.